Meaning of dash.
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 Dash. The word dash can have multiple meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it means to run or move quickly, or to destroy something by striking it violently. As a noun, it can refer to a sudden burst of energy, a hyphen used to connect words, or a small amount of something added for flavor. In summary, dash can mean to move quickly, destroy violently, provide a sudden burst of energy, connect words with a hyphen, or add a small amount of flavor.